So where are we today?
The water park.
Waterworld.
Water park.
We have to say it when we get outside so we can see it.
Yes, Waterworld.
Yeah. Yas Waterworld, that's what it's called, okay? We'll say it when we get up here, we say it again. Go on then, run towards the entrance for me.
No, I can't because it's too hot.
Too hot?
Yeah.
Okay, we just walk slowly in, yeah? Look how close it is to Warner Brothers World, it's right there. Warner...
I just walk. If we would like here, we can just straight walk there.
Yeah, we could go to Warner Brothers World and then walk over to here.
Yeah. That would be easy.
Yeah, it would be easy.
Look.
Yeah.
Yes, Waterworld.
Yes.
Yes, Waterworld.
Yas Waterworld. Go outside the sign and go to the sign.
Yeah.
And then I'll say, where are we today?
Yeah.
Smile.
Where are we today, Penelope?
Yes, Waterworld.
Yas Waterworld, yeah. Come on in. Let's go and find out what's in here. We'll get our tickets now.
Ow.
Oh, look, some water straight away. Oh, what'd that look like?
Oh, it's Titanic.
Oh yeah, camera. Right, let's go and see where we're going. Go in front of me. Go on in. Hello. Yeah, good.
Sir, in which country do you live?
UK.
UK. And
Yeah.
you're staying in which emirate? Abu Dhabi?
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Look, it looks like we're outside.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that outside.
We're not outside.
No.
Getting to bring out my purse with a
Yeah. There you go. Pop. Whoa, that looks good. Oh, that's a wave pool as well. That's a wave pool, so when the waves turn on, you can swim in the waves. That'd be good. That'd be fun, wouldn't it?
What, do you want this one here? We got this one here, or do you want one near the kids area?
Oh yeah, the kids area, please. Yeah.
Yeah, please, that's okay.
Daddy, look.
Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? Let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a look then.
Look.
Whoa, that look at. I think you're going to be going in there, aren't you?
Yeah.
Look how big that is. Go stand over there then, so I can see. What way are you going to go up? Where are you going to go up?
Did you see that net?
Yeah, you're going to go up the net?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good, that net.
You're gonna get wet.
Yeah.
Are you gonna sit there?
No, we've got to have. Look, go. Thank you. Ah, very nice. Thank you.
Thank you. So you do have the water here.
Oh,
Yeah.
You have your own towels. You have your safety box. So
Perfect.
if you like to order food, you can just take a QR code. Don't bring food here. You can pay for it.
Ah, thank you very much.
Great.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Oh, this is good. We can just watch you from here. And we have got sunbeds in the sun if we want to go out. Well, I will be going out in the sun.
Yeah, I'll get tan on my way.
Yeah.
Can I go now?
Yeah, I need to come with you. That was good, obviously, coming here early. We got a pic.
Yeah, no, get the pic.